Lacassine Wildlife Refuge, Southwest Louisiana, and just found this real pretty. That's a broad-banded. It's different than ours.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he is a dandy. Look at him go. Are you getting this, Carol?
Mm-hmm.
This is a banded, Carol. It's not as
Marked.
marked as ours.
Yeah.
But it's a nice. Oh, he got me. He's a goodie. All right, you get him?
I got him.
Nice banded out here at Lacassine Wildlife Refuge. Snake number 1. We've seen 10 gators and about 16 hawks, and this is a nice 2-foot banded.
Mm-hmm.
So
Pretty.
I'm gonna let him go down here if you want.
Okay.
To catch that. You got him?
Yep.
We'll get him off the road here. Come on, fella. Get off the road. And he is definitely a snake you could mistake for a water moccasin. There he goes.
Hey, Papa.
So again, out here in Lacassine, and we've seen 14 gators, and there's number 15 there. And he's just soaking up the sun on a warm March day. 6-footer, Carol? 8-footer?
It's hard to tell from that angle.
He's got some size to him, though.
He's a good size.
Look at that
He's a
big
big
bad
one.
boy. He's just come out.
He's got a great spot.
Yes, he does.
He looks like he's in Disney World. Disney World alligator. He's so perfect looking.
Yeah.
Look at his teeth are showing. His
I
underbelly
love
showing.
that. I love that head, those teeth.
It looks like something on the Jungle Cruise or something.
All right, and then there's the backdrop for him.
No, very.
What's he looking at?
He's just going
Isn't
towards
he
some
eyeballing
ditch.
something? That's a young red tail. All right, we'll watch for him when we come back around. Okay, this is kind of fun. We're on the kind of the first part of the leg of the loop around Lacassine, and there's a decent sized gator in the road. I don't like to harass animals at all, as you guys know, but she's just right there. I don't know what she's going to do as we... It's definitely a female. 8-footer. Maybe 80 to 100 pound gator. Wow. I can hear at least 7 or 8 alligators bellowing. Sun's starting to come out, and so are the gators. That's number 70. Big blue heron. They always look big, don't they, Carol?
Mm-hmm.
They're pterodactyls. They're modern day pterodactyls. Absolutely. And there's another great blue posing. Check out that little dude. He's up in the grass. There's the famous South Louisiana nutria rat. gator sausage. Ironically, you have a nutria out there on a little floton eating away, and then out in front of him there's two of his future predators. I don't think those gators are big enough to give him a hard time now, but there's the part of the ecosystem right there. Little observation tower on the east side of the drive. And just for reference, this is March 9th. Fishing is allowed in the refuge from March 15th through October 15th. Maximum horsepower is 40 horsepower. And a lot of people come out here in kayaks and whatnot. And they catch some really nice fish in here. But it'll be in about 6 days on March 15th. It's going to be like Mardi Gras out here. There's going to be boats and people everywhere. Well, he wins the trophy for the day. He's a heavy alligator. He's a bull, no doubt. Yeah. What numbers?
91.
And there's just right next to him is a little smaller gator. Big boy. That's number 95, just right out in front of us. So as we go along, we've been seeing all these gators, and obviously these coots, this is their environment. They just live out here, but they're obviously susceptible to being gator bait.
Some have the red beaks, some have the white beaks.
Yeah.
I'm looking at them.
They're different species. Gallinule, coot, mud hen. 20 yards. Woohoo!
That's a good splash.
See if it pops up. 20 yards. Woohoo! So they have a pretty unique position, and they do get that, they can make their heads look kind of triangular when they're irritated. This one's a little over a foot long. Snake number 2, Carol?
Snake number 2.
Good job.
Caught.
All right, I'm gonna put him down.
Okay.
You want him?
Mm-hmm.
Take off, go on. Go on, go on.
Out of 3 gators on him.
1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm. That's number 100 today at Lacassine Wildlife Refuge in southwest Louisiana.
On March 10th. A couple of brothers. Big old sliders. Gator boudin, huh, Carol?
Yeah.
We got gator sausage in the nutria and gator boudin in the turtles. What are the snakes?
I'm not sure.
White egret. Just doing what he does. Sweet.